Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sleeping Beauty on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So for the hair, I use this hair and bangs only in this color. Where is it? Hold on. Oh, FFBC7C. Position the Y.47, Z.47. And then I also use this hair in the same color in the front toggle. Position the Y.52. Then I use this crown from VIP in FFBD65. Position the Y.58, Z.45. Rotate the X at 0.65 and scale it to 0.38. Then I use this crown too in that same color. Position the Y.54, Z.38. Rotate the X at 0.77 and scale it to 0.28. For the outfit, I did use a VIP item, but you can use just the usual corset for this. No bows, and then color it this color. C05478 in matte, and then matte 2 in that color. And then I colored the ruffles white, and then the lace just this pink color here. Maybe like a lighter color actually. I don't know. Let's just do this. Then for the skirt, I did use a Roblox item as well in non-see-through. The top, do that one, and then the bottom, use this pink, and then this darker pink again. Then we're going to use this currency item, which is this one, in only skirt. And then for the top, use this light pink, FFA7E6 in silk. And then for the skirt, do this dark pink, FF6F9F. And then we're just going to put these sleeves on in that same light pink color in silk. And that is it pretty much. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!